Full Fun Finance, we are here. You see it. We at the Whiskey. Gourmet burgers and crafted cocktails. What more can you want? Whiskey and freaking burgers. The best. Let's go. So Full Fun Finance, we are here at the Whiskey, man. Look, check this out. This is one of my favorite drinks, the Shock Top. I think it's like an orange-based beer. I've been drinking Shock Top for years. Y'all stay tuned though, because the whiskey is gonna bring us some burgers that are amazing. It's gonna be a problem. Whiskey equals problem. So we about to taste these whiskey wings. Whiskey wings. I need some whiskey in me anyway. It's very fresh, straight out of grease, straight amazing. Oh yeah, you can see that this burger has been chomped into, but we're gonna do this again just for you guys, most definitely, who's watching out there. So we did it on live, now we're doing it just for everybody who didn't get to see it live. So this is a Wagyu whiskey burger, and I really like this burger because it's Wagyu and it's a whiskey burger. What else more do I need to expect? But the highlight of this evening is the waffle fry. Sweet potato waffle fry and this. We're gonna dive into this, y'all just watch it, pay attention. And when you are in Orlando, Florida, you need to go to Whiskey. Just Google Whiskey. Come down here and get you a burger, and get you a drink, and get you some of these damn sweet potato fries. Let's go. Make sure you get some of these whiskey wings too.
Alright, so number 8 man black, really great Johnny Cash. June Carter Cash. Hey, you know what's perfect? Yeah, I got the kick right there to start this new song for us.
Y'all stay tuned.